Hello everyone, welcome back to Home Decor Day. Embrace minimalism by simplifying your environment. A clutter-free space with functional design elements not only enhances aesthetics, but also promotes tranquility. It's about choosing quality over quantity, fostering a serene living area. Incorporating light wood tones can transform your home into a warm, inviting retreat. Pale woods bring a natural, soft vibe to any room, making spaces feel more open and airy. A neutral palette plays a key role in achieving a calm and cohesive aesthetic. Sticking to whites, grays, and soft pastels creates a soothing backdrop that's both timeless and versatile. Introducing textural contrast through a mix of textiles like wool and linen adds cozy depth to your space. This approach keeps the neutral color scheme interesting and inviting, emphasizing comfort without sacrificing style. Maximizing natural light is crucial for a bright, airy atmosphere. By enhancing windows and embracing open spaces, you invite the outdoors in, creating a seamless connection between nature and your home's interior. Clean lines in furniture not only inject a sleek aesthetic into your home, but also promote a sense of order and efficiency. Opt for geometric shapes that speak to simplicity and sophistication. This approach allows the beauty of the materials and the craftsmanship to shine through, providing a quiet backdrop that encourages the mind to relax and focus. Incorporating greenery accents throughout your home brings a slice of the outside world in, creating a refreshing oasis. Potted plants and hanging greenery breathe life into spaces, purify the air, and add a pop of vibrant color against neutral backgrounds. This touch of nature fosters a serene and inviting atmosphere, making your home feel more alive and connected to the earth. Subtle patterns, when used thoughtfully, can add layers of interest to a room without overwhelming the senses. Opt for understated prints and stripes that complement your neutral palette. These patterns can serve as gentle focal points, guiding the eye through the space and adding a dash of personality and charm to otherwise minimalist settings. Functional decor is about marrying beauty with utility. Choose pieces that not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also serve a purpose. This could mean selecting a striking vase that doubles as a centerpiece or a chic bookend that organizes your collection. This approach ensures that every element in your space has both form and function, making your living environment both stylish and practical. Cozy nooks are essential for creating inviting spaces within your home where relaxation takes precedence. Equip these areas with plush seating, soft lighting, and perhaps a throw blanket to encourage unwinding. These special corners offer a personal retreat, a haven where you can curl up with a book, meditate, or simply enjoy a moment of peace amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. That's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe, and hit that notification button for more home decor inspiration. Let me know what you would like to see next.